All right, so today is February 28th, 2025. Let's get the clock up. It's 8:48. Have about 42, 58, I don't know, 52 minutes before the market opens. No, 12, 42 minutes before the market opens. We got the clock up. All right, so let's get to it. So we're gonna go over our daily. Let's see what was yesterday. Yesterday was a sell. Well, it's just been back-to-back destruction. Um, Looks like we caught something down here on ES, like that. All right, so we're below the weekly of weeklies, below this weekly and that weekly. Like we're just destroying things. All right, I'm not sure where exactly we're headed to. Couldn't tell you. Let's go to the weekly. See if there's anything on the weekly. I don't think I've ever seen anything on the weekly. Maybe over here at 573. Maybe, I don't know. But I haven't really seen much on the weekly to say that price is going to bounce off of something. All right, yeah, I don't really have any of the I have this one here. That's the first. All right, price got above, smashed below it, so that was like worthless. Said maybe this here. All right, so let's go to the 30-minute and do some house cleaning on both sides, on all sides. All right, and Q is just destroying things. I'm just gonna get rid of all of these over here. Let's just do that. Let's get rid of these over here first. This can go. This can go. I'm gonna keep the weekly markers. Alright, yesterday we had some nice setups. I only took two. I wish I took that second one that I saw. That would have been a very good one on the demo account. Would have really just knocked it out the park. Jobless claim destroyed. Alright, so that's basically all of everything. Let's go to the daily. Now I want to go to the weekly first. I just want to see what have we been destroying. So we broke this weekly, that weekly, and trying to go further down. Make sure we get rid of as many things as we can to help not stress out the computer or take a swim really. Alright, so okay, it's a nice rejection right here. Maybe we'll get a reversal. Maybe. There's something there. I guess not. Okay. So yesterday, like I said, we had a nice some nice setups. Quickly run through this thing here. So boom, right, so right here we had a nice area here, which this is the one for NQ, but we had a level here with NQ that matched it also, so we're holding that level. NQ came up, ES came up, gave us a top, and then we sold off. This is the one I wanted to get in. I got into this one here. I got in the first one. I forced this one. Price never really broke any of these structures on the 1 minute. But here it did push and then chopped out, and then actually get to it. could all right, yeah, there it is. Okay, so priced pushed up, so some buying, and then it reclaimed this here. So I entered there. Stop loss was right above. My goal was this here. This can see price came, consolidated, bounced around, bounced around, bounced around, and then it came back up. I somehow closed out the trade by mistake. I would have tried to get these 20 points if I could. Probably would have called it there. But I did stay to watch, and then I saw this happening. I drew my line and said, if price can get below it nicely, like this one here, I would want to enter. But this just felt too stressed out. It was more than 10 points. But I wish I did enter it. As you can see, price vomited. After that, it was just like bam, drop, pull back, drop, 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 pull back, drop, boom. No, hit my level right here actually, boom. All right, so that would have been a nice 30-point trade, and that's pretty damn good. You know, on two of them, that would have been a very good trade. So I would have loved it. All right, so that's that. So let's get into our charts. All right, so we're getting a lot of weekly levels. I'm probably just gonna delete the weekly levels. They don't even seem important to me anymore. How prices just cutting through them. I don't think they are that important anymore, so I'm gonna get rid of them. I am gonna leave the nearest weekly level, which is this one. Should be this one up here. Let's go to the weekly level for this. Yeah, that one up there. All right, so probably look at this. Is a straight puke fest, straight down. That is the longest weekly level we probably had in a while. This is 1,297 points for ES. That's 209. I think this is probably one of the largest one we've had in a while. This is another one here on that's last year. All right, so maybe we're competing. What is this one here? That one is 316, and this one is 242. All right, so 209. Yeah, definitely competing with January. All right, so let's go to our daily. Where's my things? There you go. To the daily. See that it was strong sell. All right, strong sell. Let's go to the 4 hour. Very strong sell. I will mark this one here, and then we're gonna, well, I guess this is gonna be the whole damn thing yesterday. We're gonna look for anything we can find inside of this 4 hour sell. It's just way too large to really work with, but we can sell that. Sellers were very dominant here. So, and then it's on all 3 charts. So let's see what we can find. All right, let's go to the hour. Okay. All right, so now we're just going to continue adjusting as we go. Like that. Continue and adjust. That. And then this one here. All right. Boom. Okay. We also have absorption right here. So I'm gonna mark this. This. This one might be very interesting to see how price reacts. Got absorption right here. And I'm gonna label it where it starts here. 1 hour apps. Hour apps. This will be 1 hour apps, because we never really fully cleared any of them, I believe. Yeah, we never cleared them. So I want to see what's going on with that, and I will mark it at the top here, mark it at the bottom there, and mark it at this bottom here. Alright, so now we do have this selling. I think I already did this selling the other day during the trading session, but we can still see if there's anything in here that we need to work with. Right, nothing there. Alright, so now I'm gonna get rid of this, and then I'm gonna look at it from a different chart side because it's just way too much information on my screens. And then I'm gonna make this into all. Alright, so that way I can just glance across. Alright, so let's go to the 30-minute. Zoom out real quickly. Looking for. Alright, so our end of day volume might have been this one here at the end. Is there nothing there? Wow, nothing there for ES. Okay, let's go to the 30-minute. Okay, so we don't have anything here. We do have something on NQ and VIX, but we don't have anything here on ES. We do have this candle still is showing signs of importance, so we're gonna mark this one until we're able to fully drop as low as we can. Okay. Alright. Strong volume here. Alright. No, I'm not gonna get rid of that. Maybe I put it there for a reason. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. Is this a failed buy? This might be a failed buy right here. Let's go to the 30-minute chart. Yeah, this might be a failed buy. This area might be a failed buy. Failed buy. I'm gonna mark that. This might be a failed buy area. Maybe some stops were hit because I see it on all three. Right, I got volume here, especially on ES, especially on NQ and VIX. I have volume there. Right, where sellers try to step in and they couldn't, and then prices broke through it like, no, screw you. Alright, so we're gonna mark that as a failed buy area. So this might be an area where price may retest, maybe. Oh no, I need this to be large, and then I need to put you back where I found you. Alright, so maybe that's that. Alright, so let's go to the 15-minute. Alright, I just did the 15-minute. I got that. I did not do the 15-minute yet. Alright, yeah, this is a buy right here, right? It's like a failed buy. Right here, see? Got a sell. It's a failed sell. Alright, so we're adjusting. So yeah, I might make this into a failed buy area right here. I really like this here. Alright, so but I'm not gonna mark it because NQ doesn't have it, but I do have this area here. So this area, this might be my failed buy area. I'm probably gonna let me just enclose it now because it fits very well. I gotta do some deleting. I got way too many. I don't even think I have that many. I think it's because it doesn't delete anything after, as I keep making new ones, and then I delete some, and then I keep some old ones. Alright, so I'm going to keep that like that still, because we're still setting up stuff. We do have a lot of volume right here, but we're kind of holding that, so it's not an end of day volume that I'm going to trust. Let's go to our 5 minute, and I also have to do my highs and my lows. Oh, it's also an absorption level. Oh, there we go. Alright, so that's a key level. Was a key level. Alright, I'm gonna keep this one here. Oh yeah, because we adjusted that one. I'm gonna keep that one as the failed absorption. It is a failed buy. It's a failed absorption, and look how it kind of hits that. Look how it hits that very nicely. So this is a plus all time frame failed buy, 5 minute failed apps. Alright, so that's basically what that is. And yeah, it's an absorption all around. So that's a key level for me. That's enough for me for it to be a key level. Whoops. There we go. Alright, so that's going to be a key level for me right here. Right, I want to see how price comes back to this and reacts. Alright, do I have anything in between? Don't really have any strong volume here. This volume looks pretty weak. Strong volume was right here. Higher. Don't really have anything popping out of this. Let me go through all those. Let me go backwards, make sure I didn't miss anything. We've got a lot of wicks though. Alright, so but not really anything popping out of it. So alright, so let's zoom in here and zoom out. Nope. Nope. Not really. We do have an absorption right here on the 5 minute. Okay. I'll mark it nonetheless. And price did come back and retest, as you can see. From the abs. Time is flying by. How many abs? Zoom out. Okay. Alright, let's go to the 1 hour, the 1 minute. Wow. Do we have news? Probably did. This is probably news space. We'll go look at news in a bit. Alright, so it's a lot of information. It's just way too much. I am looking for selling here. As you can see, I think we'll probably have arrows like that in all of them. So that is an area for potential rejection. Alright. VIX had an interesting stoppage there. But it's just way too much information. with this. Alright, we're gonna mark the highs and lows and settlement price, and then we're gonna call it here. Where's the 30? Where's the hour? Right here. Okay, so I just need this high, there. All right, and we got our low over here. I think I want to see price come down a lot lower, but if it's holding that, then it is what it is. We got high, we got our low. Whoops. We got our low. This is about here. Okay, I can get rid of the jobless claim, get rid of that crap that I duplicated. Okay, alright, so we're gonna get rid of the boxes here now, all the vertical boxes. We're done with that. We did all we could do with all of them. Alright, and this can go. Alright, let's get settlement price. Where's Notion? We're at 8:30. News doesn't look major, but it still moved the market somewhat. Maybe not gonna dwell on it too much. Chicago PMI at 9:45, and then Trump speaks again today. Trump's just been speaking a lot. Maybe I missed it during Biden's administration when he became president. But every time I come on here, I see Trump's name. Settlement price is low. Alright, let's do another one right here. Boom. Alright, so we're at settlement price, which is a good thing. Maybe we'll come down quickly and bounce up, but this is my level there. I did not look back, so I don't know what my levels are going to be behind, so that's going to be interesting. And do my highs and lows on the VIX. Yeah, that's going to be interesting. Alright, we're going to call it here. Low. That's basically the entire day, and then we have the high. Alright, so that's basically it for me. How did I do it time wise? Not bad, 23. Probably way too much minutes still, but that's still good. Alright, so that's it for me. My goal is up here. I want to see that rejection. I don't really have anything else, and then or down here I want to see some buying stepping in. I don't really have any buyers stepping in yet. Looking at these volume bars, I only see mostly selling, so we need buyers to step in if I want to go long. Buyers are tempting right here, but not enough to push price. Sellers have been very dominant. Maybe price goes down to 0. I don't know. That would be crazy. That would hurt a lot of portfolios.